I've been using Canva, but I don't know how to do this pop-out head effect. Hi, I'm Charm of CB Virtual Ally, and in this video, I will teach you how to do this pop-out head effect in Canva. The steps are so easy to follow. So, huwag na natin patatagalin pa. Tara na! Let's learn! Welcome back! In this video, you will learn about the pop-out head effect in Canva. So it's so easy, napakadaling i-follow, and you don't need to be an expert to do this. So let's begin. So of course, you need to open your Canva. So on the screen, you can see here a woman. She's smiling, and it seems like she's inside this smudge frame here. However, yung upper portion niya, your head part na is nakalabas dun sa frame. So how can we achieve this effect? Follow me. So, I will add a new page here. So, yan, blank canvas siya. So, since if you observe here, the woman is my grayish background lang siya. So, for me to have the contrast, so I will be choosing bright colors. So, punta lang tayo sa photos. Click lang natin, type bright colors. And you can find this one here. So, I will just drag this. Yan. Nasa frame na siya. And the next thing that we will do is to find that smudge frame. So you just need to go to Elements, tapos type mo lang frame. Lalabas na yung napakaraming frame designs that you can choose from. Pero yung pipiliin natin is yung parang smudge effect siya. Ito, here. This is pretty. Ayan. So we'll make it a bit bigger. So here, we have now the frame. So yung kukunin natin will be yung babae. Okay, so we now have the frame. So we need to have that woman smiling. So punta tayo sa photos. Hanapin natin yung babaeng yon. Okay, all you need to type, kasi yung ginagawa ko lang is I just type keywords. So let's say I want a woman smiling with a hat. So woman smiling hat, lalabas na yun siya. Or you have different choices to choose from. So, yung pinili ko is si Ate Girl. Okay? So, siya yung napili ko. So, I will just click this one. So, you can see here na nasa loob na siya ng smudge. Pero yung gusto kong effect, yung lalabas yung ulo niya from this smudge frame. So, double-click nyo lang yung image. Mahaba naman yung image niya. So, ilalabas natin si Ate Girl ng kaunti. Okay? So, yan. So, see, nakalabas na si Ate Girl. Okay. So, since we have this photo, kukuha pa tayo ng isang photo niya. Okay, same photo. Tapos, ito naman, we're not going to put it inside the frame, but we're going to delete its background. So, again, paano mag-delete ng background ng isang image in Canva? Very easy. Click Edit Image. Okay, and then click background remover. So it will remove instantly yung background ng image na gagamitin natin. So you don't need to go to other website to do it. Pag naka-Canva Pro ka, yung background deletion is napakadali. So wait lang natin pag na-remove na siya. So here, so na-remove na natin yung background niya. So we have this girl. If you observe na parang kinakain, right? So it seems like the frame is sucking the image here of the girl pag nilalapit natin, okay? So my technique dyan, so before you drag actually, is you need to just press control para once you drag the photo, the frame will not suck it, okay? Ganito. Naka-press na yung control ko, hindi niya kinakain, okay, ng buo. Hindi pa magkatugma yung size niya with the frame. So, yung ginagawa ko here is to adjust its transparency para nakikita ko, okay, if magkatugma ba yung image niya dun sa original image na nasa loob ng frame. So, just like in my other video, this is more likely on layering pa rin, okay? So, sa Canva, nagagamit talaga si layering. So, just make sure lang natin na the size, okay, of the image, yan. Okay, fit na fit siya doon sa gagawin natin. Kasi if hindi, nako, ang pangit tignan, no? So, yan, naka-layer na siya. Okay? Yan, ang ganda. Alright, so, here, since naka-layer na siya, adjust na natin yung transparency. So, we will adjust the transparency. So, nakikita natin na fit na siya doon. Okay? Sa image na ginamit natin. Okay? Yan. So, since fit na siya, nakalabas na yung head or the upper part or the upper portion here. Pero, if you have observed naman, bakit nakalabas pa yung part dito? Sa parang sa lower area niya. So, dapat mawala yun para ma-achieve natin yung nasa loob siya ng smudge frame natin. Okay? And that is really easy. So, all you need to do is just click the second layer of the image, tapos crop nyo lang. So, kita nyo naman yung line. Crop nyo lang siya para malinis siya tignan. Okay? Yun. So, see? We have achieved the image right away. Yung si girl, parang nasa loob siya ng smudge, tapos lumabas siya doon sa smudge frame, which is actually a very good and very attractive na design ngayon. Ito yung trendy din ngayon, yung nagpa-pop na siya. And you don't need to have the Photoshop skills to do it. All you need is Canva. So, napakadali, di ba? Alright, so we have achieved our first design. Okay. Now, let's move naman sa second design natin. So, what if yung image kasi ni ate girl kanina malaki? So, since malaki siya, pahaba siya, you can move her out. Okay, you can move her out from the smudge frame. What if yung image naman is pahaba? Okay, hindi siya pataas, pahaba siya. So, how can we achieve that pop-out head effect kung hindi naman natin nadadrag? So, let's have this example, okay? So, ito yung final output natin. Very cute kid. So, gawa tayo ng blank frame. Okay, we will make blank frame. So, we will delete na lang the elements here para makita nyo talaga from the scratch, right? So, we will delete everything from scratch, o, diba? So, okay, so we now have a blank frame here. So, lagyan lang natin siya ng background, which is actually blue yung ginamit natin kanina. So, we now have the blue background. Now, yung unang gagawin natin, just like in the first design, is we need to choose a frame. So, yung frame na gagamitin natin would be circle. Okay, so gusto ko naman circle yung gagamitin ko for this design. So, nasa first part yun. Okay, so just click that one. And you now have the circle frame effect. Okay, so since you have the circle frame effect, yung next natin na gagamitin, or I mean kukunin, will be the image of this smiling boy. Okay, so kukuha lang tayo ng image ng smiling na bata. Okay, so just go to photo and then type lang natin. Okay, so I don't have any specific keyword na remember, but what I do is I just type something that I want to achieve or to look for. So I will just say kid smiling. Okay, click ko lang yan, and it will generate different images of a kid smiling. Okay, so we now find the smiling boy here. So yung gagawin natin is just to drag this photo going to our frame. And now we see here the image of the boy inside our circle frame. So, di ba yung gagawin natin, dapat nagpa-pop out yung head niya from the frame. So, di ba yung ginawa natin kanina is we double-click the picture. But how can we put him up na nakapahaba yung picture niya? Hindi natin siya malalabas doon. We cannot drag it upward. So, what we need to do here is to zoom, okay? Kumbaga, palalaki natin yung image ng bata. So, here, lumabas na yung head niya. Nandyan pa rin sa frame yung buong mukha niya with his shoulder blades. So, that's fine. So, ito na yung final na size or gusto niyo i-adjust ng konti lang. Why not? Okay? As long as naka-pop out yung head niya. Let's just make it a bit bigger para na-emphasize na lumabas talaga yung ulo niya sa frame, no? So, that's the final size, okay? So, yun. Nakalabas na yung head niya. Hindi nyo na nakikita ng buo. And same way sa ginawa natin kanina with the woman. Okay, so drag lang natin ng konti. So, yung ginawa natin kanina sa babae is we just need to click another photo. And yung photo natin is isi-size natin siya. Let's just adjust its transparency para nakikita natin yung sa likuran na area. If tama na ba yung size natin. Okay. So, we will adjust the size of this photo doon sa frame. Okay, parang almost na na-achieve na natin. Sometimes it takes patience also to do this. Kasi pag walang patience, hindi mo talaga siya madidrag ng tama if your image is really working out. Ay, ang gwapo na bata. Okay, so I guess the size has been achieved already. So, yung gagawin natin is, yon. So, ito na yung size na kailangan natin. Click Edit Image. And then, Background Remover. And Canva will do its magic. Okay, so now the background has been removed. Yan, taray. Tapos, i-arrange na natin siya. Okay? Yan, so fit na siya. Tama ba? Wait, let's just adjust natin konti. Okay. So, yan. Fit na yung image niya dun sa circle na frame. However, nakalabas yung mga shoulder lines niya. So, all you need to do is just to crop them. Okay? Crop lang natin. Linisan na natin yung pag-crop. Alright. And of course, here too. Ayan. So, see? We can now have this pop-out head effect in Canva for this photo. Let's say, lagyan niyo siya ng text sa right side. So, gusto niyo na medyo maliit siya. Don't you worry. We can do that. All you need is to highlight everything here. And then click Group. Alright. So, naka-group na siya. All you need to do is just reposition the image. So, napakadali. Okay? Reposition niya sa gilid, pwede yan. And pwede niyo siyang paliitin ng onte because it's just too big and the text hindi na magkakasya. So, you can do that. And you can add your text here at the right side. So, it's easy. So, I hope you have learned something from this tutorial and you can make use of this pop-out head effect in Canva. Napakadali, di ba? So, more videos to come. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and also hit like. And that would be for today's video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. Mwah.